Are you tired of the same old crappy toilet wine? Well, stay tuned, and I'm gonna show you Prison Mike's prison wine recipe, or Pruno, or toilet hooch. Delicious! That's good prison wine. Toilet hooch. Pruno. Whatever you want to call it. It's good. I'm gonna show you today on this episode of CRAFTS how to make this delicious concoction that you can drink out of a cup or out of the toilet. So this recipe calls for Ziploc bag. It calls for some fruit cocktail. It calls for some oranges. And it calls for some ketchup. So if you're ever in prison, make sure you take a knife with you. Like this. There's ways to get it in to the prison. Just go handle first. It'll be very helpful for lots of things, but most importantly, for your Pruno, or your Prison Mike prison wine. Alright, so the first thing we're gonna wanna do is peel these oranges and put them into the bag. Here we go. Oh yeah. Okay, now that you got all the oranges cut and put into the bag, it's time to return the knife to the location to which you hide it. I always make sure I keep it hidden so that the guards, never know. Make sure you keep it hidden. Now that you did the oranges, it's time to put in the fruit cocktail. So, in order to open the fruit cocktail, I need a can opener. Luckily, I got a can opener right here. All right, here we go. Now what you're going to want to do is mash the ingredients together. Okay, now that you got the fruit mashed, add just a little bit of water. Add the secret ingredient. It's ketchup. The sugars in the ketchup are gonna help the fruit ferment and make alcohol. Now all you're gonna wanna do is set it and forget it. You're gonna wanna warm this up once a day for about 5 minutes under the hot water. You're gonna also notice that your bag is gonna get a little gassy as it starts to ferment. So you're gonna wanna burp it a little bit. After 4 or 5 days, you got yourself some real good Prison Mike prison wine. Let's go ahead and give it a shot.
Well, thanks, Prison John. It's been about a week. Throughout the course of this, I did have to burp the bag, so the bag would expand with gases as the sugar fermented. So now, it's time to taste some CRAFTS Pruno. All right, so you got your bag and it's full of rotten oranges and fruit cocktail and such. Here we go, here's a smell test. Here's a smell test, so I haven't smelled this yet. It doesn't smell bad. That's been rotten in the heat for a week. It doesn't smell bad. You have your remnants here. You can go ahead and throw those away. And you got your good stuff. CRAFTS Special Reserve. Alrighty. Like ketchup. I'm gonna chug a full glass of this. Got my bucket here just in case, so. Oh! My internal organs are fighting each other. It's so I'm so sweaty. All right, everybody. Thanks again for stopping by this episode of Man Crafts. Dripping all over the place. Please remember to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and share any of the videos you find on my playlist. At noon on Mondays, we release a video doing stupid shit like this. Remember to follow me on Instagram. This shit belongs. It's terrible. What a bad thing. What a bad thing. Bye, guys.
You got a good life! You got a good life.
So, oh, that's not gonna work.
The blade! It sounds like Bill Cosby. Oh, that's pretty relevant. That's a relevant joke. That's a relevant joke. Hoochie!